Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Proton Drive on Windows in 2026. So if you want to sync files, back up your data, and access everything directly from your computer, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Proton Drive website. Make sure you download it only from the official source. Next, look for the Download or Apps section. Then select the Windows version of Proton Drive. Now click Download and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Next, open the downloaded file and run the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now follow the installation steps on screen and wait for it to finish installing on your computer. Once installed, open Proton Drive and log in with your account credentials. Now you can start syncing files between your computer and Proton Drive cloud storage automatically. And that's it. You've successfully installed Proton Drive on Windows. Now your files are backed up and accessible anytime right from your computer. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.